Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI channel. Today I've got an awesome and super quick DIY project for you. We're going to transform those old, boring t-shirts into trendy crop tops. Trust me, it's easier than you think and you'll end up with some unique pieces for your wardrobe. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Gather your materials. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need an old t-shirt, a pair of scissors and a ruler. That's it, simple, right? Step 2. Choose your style. Now decide on the style you want. Whether it's a classic crop top, an off-the-shoulder look, or a tie front design, the choice is yours. Today I'll go for a classic crop top. Step 3. Measure and mark. Grab your ruler and lay the t-shirt flat on a surface. Measure the desired length for your crop top and mark it with a pen or chalk. Remember, you can always go shorter, but you can't add fabric back, so be cautious. Step 4. Cut it out. Time to bring out those scissors, carefully cut along the marked line. If you're going for a more intricate design, like a tie front or off the shoulder, look up a quick tutorial online to guide you through the process. Step 5. Customize and style. Now comes the fun part, customization. You can leave the edges raw for a distressed look or hem them for a neater finish. Get creative with additional cuts, distressing, or even add some fabric paint for a personalized touch. Step 6. Try it on. Moment of truth, let's try on our newly transformed crop top. Voila! Instant fashion upgrade from an old t-shirt. You can pair it with high-waisted jeans, a skirt, or layer it over a dress. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, a super quick and easy way to breathe new life into your old t-shirts. If you enjoyed this DIY, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and creative content. Let me know in the comments if you tried this out and what other DIYs you'd like to see. Until next time, stay creative and stylish. Bye.